Hi guys, Luna here. I am doing a response to Magical Mandi. So this is the hashtag what magic means to me. So I think magic is a blessing in my life. It is definitely part of my daily life. Um, I think it's energy from the divine source or God source, if you will. And I think everyone has it, but I don't think that everyone is necessarily strong enough or knowledgeable enough to wield it, I guess is the nicest way to say it. I don't think everyone is even interested in it, but I don't think everyone is strong. I think dealing with magic takes a lot out of you. The energy of magic takes a lot out of you, and I think that learning to replenish that energy becomes an entirely other challenge. Um, but it is definitely a blessing. It is a gift that we receive, and I think we all receive it. It's just learning that we all have it. And I think sometimes the hardest thing I do is try to convince people they have that gift. All they have to do is take it. It's theirs. So, yes, I believe that magic to me is an energy and that we all have it. And it just then becomes learning to manifest it, learning to energize yourself and replenish your energies and feel blessed by it. That's energy to me. I mean, that's magic to me. Energy. And you're all divine. You're all sacred beings of light and love. And I love each and every one of you. Tag, you're it.